Hi everybody, this is the presentation for Chapter 4, focusing on collaboration. The rest of your assignments for this class will require you to work in a group, so it's important to think about the benefits of collaboration, as well as expectations. So why do we have to collaborate? I know everybody's worked in a group before, had frustrations, and wondering why we have to do this kind of thing. First of all, in the workplace, often in creating large documents, you'll have to work with a team, so it's important to learn those skills. One of the benefits is that you can share in the workload. You can divide the work up so that each person's working on something that they are comfortable working on, and you can come up with less work individually. Secondly, the nice part about collaboration is the sharing of the minds. You might find that within your group you have a wealth of knowledge in different areas. Use that to your advantage. You can create stronger documents. Having the knowledge of all these people, having many people editing it, you'll come up with hopefully perfect documents. So managing the group for this class, first of all, in post 7, I will ask you to choose a group leader. The group leader's role is solely to turn assignments in and to make sure that the group stays on task. It is not the group leader's job to do extra work or to write everything. It's basically the person that will be turning in the assignment so that I don't get 7 of the exact same assignments. Working within the group, it's important to share the wealth. By this I mean choose your tasks. Everybody should have the equal amount of work. Plan the project out. When are you going to do certain parts? Something like this would be great if you create a schedule. Creating a schedule will allow you to, first of all, decide when things will be done, who's doing it, and so there's no question. Nobody has to wonder and worry about something being done. Make sure that you're communicating frequently via email. That Blackboard thread will be open to your group throughout the rest of the semester. You're going to need to check in more than once a week. This is essential for being part of the group. Most importantly, and this is why I left this for last, is that you need to make sure that each document you write in enough time to send it to everybody in the group for editing before it's turned in. You need to have approval of everybody. So for example, one of the assignments is going to require that you create a questionnaire. The questionnaire, let's say it's due on Monday, you need to have it done several days before that so you can send it to all group members and then have time to edit it. Be flexible about the content in the documents. Just because you came up with something and somebody wants to change it doesn't mean anything wrong with your words or what you want to do. It's important to give and take in this relationship. Most of you will be having your meetings just online. Keep in mind that a lot of people in this class are not actually physically in Alaska, so you're going to have to find other ways to communicate. No matter how you're meeting, you need to make sure you're listening effectively to what each person in the group is saying. Communicate diplomatically. Each person should have equal weight and equal say in this group project. And finally, don't get emotionally attached to something that you've done or some idea that you have. It's nothing to do with you if that idea is not chosen or is changed. Don't let your work be a product of your emotions. Be sure to pull your own weight for this class. At the end of the project, I will ask that each of you tell me a little bit about your group, tell me what you've done in the group, as well as any frustrations or any problems that you've run into your group. This is only fair. One, I'm not seeing you, I don't know day to day. And secondly, everybody can get frustrated with group projects, and this is kind of a way to save any frustrations from happening. Like most of you did with the peer editing, you can use the review function on Word to edit and to show your edits to everybody in the group. This is going to be really important with this document. I know it can get a little bit frustrating on the side with all this red marking, but if each person maybe takes different color, it puts your name with the comment, and then so somebody can do the final editing. There are tools like Skype that are available for you to have video conferencing. This is really kind of nice because you can see each other's faces. A lot of computers have the little computer screen up on the top, and it's a perfect way to communicate within your group. You can have, 4 or 5 people on the video conferencing screen at the same time. So take a look at Skype. That's the most widely used video conferencing tool. Finally, don't get too frustrated. If you're communicating effectively, if you feel that something should be some way, write it out, edit it, send it to the group, send out an email. And finally, don't get too frustrated. If you are about ready to scream, send me an email or come visit me in my office hours, and I'd be happy to help you as much as I can with this group project. All right, enjoy your group work.